the essence of this oil is for you to attract goodness into your hands. Attract goodness. Money will be coming, favor will be coming, mercy will be coming. You will receive a lot of good news. If you are looking for a job, jobs will come. Good things will come. You receive a lot of good news with your hand. You receive good news, you receive money, you receive favor, you receive good positions in life. So just sit back, relax. All I want from you is that you watch the video from the beginning to the end. And don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, and subscribe if you have not done so. My name is Lukman. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Favour Oil or Mercy Oil using some natural ingredients. And these ingredients are not ingredients that are too difficult to get. You can get them easily around you or anywhere you are. There are things you can get. Now, what are these ingredients? The ingredients we are going to be needing, like I said, are natural. Number one, we are going to be needing a coconut oil. Coconut oil. Number two, we are going to be using cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick. This is cinnamon stick. I have cinnamon stick here with me. I have cinnamon stick. Then we are still number three, we are going to be needing granulated sugar. Sugar, the granulated one. We are going to be needing that. That means the powdery sugar. We are going to be needing that. Then number four, we are going to be needing star anise. Star anise. Star anise. I'm still going to be showing you the image. Or if you cannot get star anise, then you can use cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder. Then also, we are going to be needing cloves. Cloves. We are going to be needing cloves. And most importantly, we are going to be needing a currency bill. A currency bill that you can use. Any currency, but it's going to be a bill, not coin this time. It's going to be a bill of any denomination in your country. That's what we are going to be using to prepare this. Now, how do we prepare this? How do we prepare it? First, you are going to be getting a jar as small as this one is about 100 mils. 100 mils. So you are going to be getting a jar like this. But most importantly, make sure it has a green cover. If you have one that does not have green cover, you can look for green cover and just put it so that it can cover it. Now, that's one. Once you get this, then make sure you get your coconut oil. This coconut oil, for those of us who have not seen coconut oil, this one is available if you want to buy. I have it for sale in my store. Coconut oil. This one is original homemade coconut oil. Then, once you have the coconut oil, get your currency bill. Currency bill. For instance, this is my own currency bill. You can use this. You can use in Nigeria. You can use 200 naira. You can use 500 naira. You can even use 50 naira. It depends on what you can get. The bill is just for representation. It's not for anything. It's for representation. In fact, I prefer using the 50 naira in my country because it is in nylon type. It is in nylon, so it's very easy. It cannot soak easily. So I'll get that. Now, once I get it, my cinnamon stick, I'll make sure I have one that is not too long or too short, but that can go with this. It can go with this. Okay, I think I have one small one. I'll just put. So what you need to do is just roll your bill with the stick. Roll your bill with the stick. Just roll your bill with the stick. Roll your bill with the stick. After then, you just add this. Just put this in. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just put it in the bottle. Once you put it in the bottle like this, Then you get your sugar, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon, big spoon, that is tablespoon of sugar, you put inside this jar. Then also you get your star anise, and the star anise you are going to be using six pieces, 6 pieces. You put it inside. If you cannot get the star anise, then you can get cinnamon powder. All you need to do is just get your stick and crush it and turn it to a powder. Then also you can just get 1 spoon and put inside. That is, if you cannot get star anise, you can get cinnamon powder, put inside. Then your cloves, just 6 pieces of cloves, put it inside. 6 pieces of cloves, put it inside. Then lastly, you now add your oil. Make sure you fill it to this level. Make sure it is filled. Add your oil. Then after then close it with the cover like this. You can mix it, you can check it together and just keep it somewhere. Let it be in that position. Just keep it somewhere for 2-3 days. After 30, then you can do the next step. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. On this channel, we talk spirituality, simple life hacks, especially how to make money the natural way. We give spiritual tips that will benefit your life, that will grow your life without going to the diabolical means. And this video, like it, share it as much as you can so that others can benefit what you are benefiting. Now let's continue. How do you use this oil? The oil is very simple to use. After preparation, you've kept it for 2 or 3 days. Then if you are going out, just take it, just open it like this. Just open it, put the oil like this on your palm. Then you just use it to rub the 2 hands together, rub the 2 palms together like this. Just rub it before going out. And you might want to ask, what of those who don't have anything doing? This is also very good. You can use it so that the thing will have become part and parcel of you. Then lastly, what is the essence of this oil? The essence of this oil is for you to attract goodness into your hands. Attract goodness. Money will be coming, favor will be coming, mercy will be coming. You will receive a lot of good news. If you are looking for a job, jobs will come. Good things will come. You receive a lot of good news with your hand. You receive good news, you receive money, you receive favor, you receive good positions in life. That's the essence. A lot of people try to underrate this, but I know how much I was selling this. Those who have purchased this from me before, the Favour Oil, sometimes we call it Favour Oil. Those who have purchased it from me knows how much it costs. This is very costly, but I'm giving it to you for free. You can do it for free. It's not something that is too difficult, but I bet you there is no way that you use it that you won't come back to give me testimony and thank me and even gift me for giving you this little but mighty. Little but mighty. It's very small but mighty. And if you can do it, I'm very sure, 100% sure that you are going to be blessed beyond your imagination. If you enjoy this one, if you know this and you want to see a very powerful oil that you can use in place of this, then watch this video here.